Dada?
And the only first words was no, wasn't it?
Today's video is brought to you by the A129 Duo from VFL. It features front and rear 1080p video, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth remote, collision detection, GPS, motion sensor, parking mode, a quick release mount, as well as some handy stuff in the box to get you up and running. Grab yours today using the link below. Come on then, speed up, man. Ugh. Oh, it has the ability to speed up. Wow, it did that on purpose then. What a prick. What are you stopping for, man? Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. There's nothing in front of you, 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 go. You can't say that car was blocking the road, because he wasn't. Wow. I think it's one of those that likes to just take up the entire road if it's... What? There's nothing in front of you, go! Oh my god, man, someone help me, I'm going crazy, I'm literally losing my fucking mind today. Do people really not know how to read? Alex, completely explain it to me. How can you not? How can you drive that slowly up to a clear space and still park in the fucking thing?
I have no idea.
What's wrong with people, man? Yeah, I thought he'd go for it as well, that Audi. Look at him. So proud as well, silly bitch. Good heavens, what's that? Is that a cyclist? Oh, yes it is, yes it is. It's got no lights on, man, come on. Sort your life out, you mental case. That's alright, just jump on the path. Oh, fucking idiot. Good heavens, what a twat.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. You seen that, didn't you? You're a good cyclist, you are. The other one was a dick, wasn't he? Even cyclists have a go at cyclists.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
You ain't gonna do hairs, we're just washing our bodies. Yeah? Yeah, hair is pretty clean, yeah.
We washed it last night, Mummy.
What happened?
I don't know. She nearly pulled out on them, think. We'll have to review our rear end.
Yeah, we would.
Oh, she's not going to do it to me, is she? You're not going to get through that gap, are you?
Oh
my god, man! Oh my god! Oh! Wow. Dirty, dirty, dirty! I couldn't even see that number plate. Filthy, filthy animal. What are you doing? Oh, no way. No way. He was already stopped. Wow. Wow, that was close. What is that car doing?
Which one?
That green one.
I was going to say, because that was Mr. Line too.
The black one's missed the line, yeah, that's fine. Well, it's not fine, but it's fine. It's stopped. But this other one, what's it doing?
I'm not too sure.
It was going sideways across the lights.
This is where I used to talk to when you had an argument.
When do we argue? Don't you dare shake your head at me! Audi drivers, they're aren't they? He just stood there and looked at me and shook his head like that as I went past.
But why? You ain't done nothing wrong.
Well, because I didn't let him go. If you don't let Audi go, they get right angry, don't they? Wow. Come on, I'm not going to get through that. You have to come through, aren't you? Thanks for waiting though, you nice person. Yeah, welcome.
Ah!
Dickhead.
Why is you dickhead? You didn't stop.
Alexi, he slammed on the brakes to let a woman cross the road for no reason. Alright, that's debatable, okay? Someone's going to moan at me for that. He can't keep in line. He's got no brake lights. He's a dickhead. It's simple, very simple. He's a dickhead.
Okay. And it was a she.
Was it? She's a dickhead then. I'm not sexist.
He was on his phone.
Naughty, naughty.
It's a brilliant place to stop, isn't it?
It's people, and she's going to open her door on me as well, the knobhead. Was that dog taking a shit in the road?
That dog was taking a shit. Not on the road, on the path.
No.
But at least the owner was getting a bag out to pick it up. That's why I can't have a dog. I can't bring myself to pick up their... No, not happening. I had a rabbit once and I couldn't deal with their poo. A bird? I could have a bird.
Did you clean it out?
Yeah, I used to have 2 birds. Peaky and Perky. What?
Why is this is one of them days? People are folded in mirrors, man. Alexi, come on, sort these people out.
Okay, I will.
Oh, thank you.
Well, people don't want to wait today, do they?
The trade plate driver.
It's a what?
Trade plate driver.
What's that?
Well, that's not his car. That's someone else's car. He's delivering it or moving it somewhere, and they drive like dickheads, basically.
He's done it. He's gone through the red light again.
Dickhead! Look at him. Oh, you missed it.
I told her to show it me on your birthday. She was on phone.
Who was on the phone?
That lady.
What colour car?
Black.
KK?
She had it up to her face like this.
Yep.
So obviously it was on loudspeaker. If it was on loudspeaker, why didn't you put it down?
I don't know. People are stupid.
Instead of holding it up to
Same
your
reason
face.
you would wake up and go for a drive with your mirrors folded in. It's just not normal. There's something wrong with you. It's definitely one of them days.
Well, unless you want to speak to your mum and see if we'll all chip in and go. What?
That number plate's supposed to be yellow.
Yes, it is.
Why is it white?
I have no idea.
How can you get it wrong? It's pointless having road signs, isn't it?
Pretty much.
Because if you can't read, well, it's only 4 letters. It's 4 fucking letters. It says stop. You have to stop. Subscribe to PewDiePie.
Here, let me serve you British lasagna.
The bus stop, dickhead. This is the worst part of Bristol. This is one of the worst. You do not want to go through here with your doors unlocked or your windows open on an evening, because you'll most likely get they'll just steal your car. They'll open your doors and take it. They're thieves. Thieves with a capital F. You can smell the weed already. It stinks on there, man. It's not even a nice smell either. It's proper nasty shit. If only I could transmit the smell through YouTube right now. Wow. Do you see what I mean? They're a completely different species of human down here. They're not entirely normal, to be honest. Let's give them some PewDiePie.
Say nothing but a bitch lasagna. You got a fifth of the population in your nation, but I got 90 rolls of words to hold your defecation. Multipatlo, what the fuck is that even supposed to mean? Your language sounds like it come from a mumble.
Not so clear, has he? Look at him. I expect he's absolutely smashed.